Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about the snippets and also about the unions. And I believe that after this two topic, most of the schematic part would be covered. And if something pop up in my head later on, I would definitely make a video about it. But why should we be using union? I mean, you can think about union in terms of the mathematics, like how you unite them to three different things and consider them as the same. Or maybe just like you guys are watching my videos, so you guys and my videos are also united. So how can we use this thing in our schematic and also in the layout? Well, first of all, so I have a huge design here, right? Not really huge. I mean, some kind of schematics going on, components going on. And I need to group some of them together so that if I need to move any of these components somewhere else, I don't have to select them manually, like, hey, you should move, hey, you should move, you should move, you should move, you should move. And this is so painful. So you have to select literally everything to move them together, right? So but what else we can do? We can group. Think about, I want to group my registers. There's all the registers, and yeah, I can group all of them together, and I can just say right click, and I can go to the union and say create union from selected objects. Now it said 4 objects added to the union. Very cool. Now how could I use it, right? It is still not really working, right? How can I use it? Well, you can just click on your register, go to union, and now you can say select all in union. Look at that, all of them had just been selected. That's pretty cool, right? That's super cool. You can do the same thing on like on your PCB. For example, right now there's a polygon here, and as I'm moving this ESP somewhere, the whole thing is kind of making a mess. So I want to create a union of them. So I can do like, I can mark all of them, and I can say right click, go to, oops, where's the union went? Okay, again, let's do it again. Right click, here you go. Now I can go to the union, and I can say create union from selected objects. So once I made a union of them, I can literally move them anywhere I want. Like, as you can see, I'm just moving them just one click. So you click one of them and you can move them wherever you want. So that gets really handy when you have tons of components. You want to make a quick adjust. For example, a lot of people have like very precise way of like placing some, like, vias around, right? And they have this specific distance based on the wavelengths. And now the mechanical engineer is saying, hey, could you please move this, all of them, by 10 millimeter or 10 mils, whatever it is. It'll be really painful to do it again. So I think union make it really easy. Okay, that's cool. Now what about the snippet stuff? Well, think about, I want to reuse this thing. Okay, I want to reuse the whole stuff on some other schematic. What I can do, I can copy all of them together. So let's say all of them is copied, hopefully, and I can right click, and I can go to my snippets, and I can do create snippets from selected objects. I can give it a name, say like block 1, and let's just say create. I click create. It should be saving in my cloud, hopefully. Well, that seems like a huge file. Well, now I want to reuse this thing to my sheet 2. What I can do, I can go to my reuse block and select the one that I just made. Not that one, this one. I think it's this one probably. Oh no, it is not. Oh, this one. Here you go. Let's say place, and here we go. Cool. Well, thanks for watching. This is, I know it's maybe not too a big video, but this tools will help you a lot, trust me or not. See you on the next video. Bye.